Kuyadabuza kiwe le mina umuntu oyinqumo nokuhlala emaphuzwini okuyiwona esekuyenziwa yingakho ngitholakala edatha isikhathi esiningi ngoba indaba yewawu isikhathi eside lena ukufaza ukuthi ngicela ukubonga umsebenzi oniwenzayo nje ukufora mara ekhaya eClermont mina ngikhulisela ekhaya ke kwandile ukulokapela kwamakhepha kaSihloza nomkhala kaJama ngidlala shama display lapha la eClermont kakhulu kusukela nje ngo-1997 ngikhona la ekhaya phesheya kwelwandle impilo yami yaqala la ngakho-ke ngizongamlela ke kanjani wethu ngiyawathanda amagama abekwa udadewethu ekugcineni la ethi konakala kwe-unity lapho abantu bashaya i-strategy thina esingenaso ekubathole emaklabhini ophuza utshwala njengoba lo ade davuza nje lona iphosa nje ihle emazini ngoba phela amaphosa emazini azohlukana phakathi kodwa nje azobuya ahlangana emazini wahamba iphosa phela emfuleni azokuthi aqhubeka nendlela into ezokwenzeka ukuthi la i-unity iyona kuphela ezonqoba ekhipha iqhina embizeni bese kuzothi into e-challenge ethi into ubaba eyonakala ngalesikhathi kuhlanganiswa ngalesi sikhathi lento ethiwa yepolitiki yingakho i-impact ye-Marshall Marsh ibe ne-success engaka ngenxa yokuthi divoswe ipolitiki yakhishwa ngoba lento yama-political interest iyona edivide abantu sathola siyinto eyodwa siwumphakathi ihamba igxambuzana ipolitiki nama-interest ayo yabona ingakho ubona sengathi sekunemfaki sekunama-see-through sekune-blind engadonseki kahle iyahleka ukuyakhanya into enjangaleyo bese kuzothi iqiniso lenziwe abantu besebhizinisini umuntu osebhizinisini into ayidingayo i-profit iqiniso kodwa abalenzile kulesi simo se-Marshall Marsh angikhulumi la eClermont kuphela ngikhuluma kwezinye indawo ehlukahlukene ngilithandile iqiniso lokuthi bayi-understande ngisho amatekisini ngisho yonke indawo obakuthwala egoli bebesho njalo bethi imchunu noma singafetheka kangakanani ibambeni bafana bami ngoba sisemsabalazweni u-1994 wethu omusha lo sifika fasta sizofasta kwaqhamuka abantu ngoba masikhuluma iqiniso le yalapha eSherwood iziyofika ngaseMoses Mabhida le ukuthi amamali yawenza amaZimbabwe namaMozambique amaningi angaka ama-100,000 abeflat yalapha abantu ababe ne-impact yibo kanye nabantu abahomastene ngoba bebesaba nolaka lwenkundlane nolaka lomphakathi bama leyo nto leyo yinhle iyabemele ukushayela from i-page omastende bakwazile ukudela isikwa sabo bekwazi ukuthi bethi bahambisana ne-movement ngoba be-understand ukuthi there is a light in the end of the tunnel noma singalanga manje bese siphinde-ke siya-ke esigabeni-ke se-time frame nokuthi bayahamba noma bahambe babanguzwile ngihleli laphana amamehla amashimseni ngisha laphana lambile lokusile ngaphi isigijima ey'ntabeni into ezakalawo la ma ubuka iscenario yonke ukwenzeka kwalento yabamashini mashi igcinile amahedi amathathu uJacinta uPhakela nomlando wasemachulweni lo mboni kwenzeka manje and there's no way yokuthi imfundisho lelibuzo ngithitayo labo OTT there's no way ukuthi ungama phambi kwabantu ubatshele into ezoba nedent emthethweni ngoba kwayena uhulumeni wasikhuluma iqiniso uyisitha ngoba senza umsebenzi wokungabonzo yena uhulumeni engabawenza kudala ulilisile akanendaba ipolitiki ayinendaba bonke bebebona nje ubhudo ofisho lwakhe thina we look how we ground ithina that we were suffering on a daily basis iy'ngane zethu zidla ama-drugs, iy'ngane zethu daba utshwala, iy'ngane zethu zithi yoshaya iminyaka emingaka ngivele uyohola lowo 350 oholwayo, ezinye ziyazala ziyayibhanga imali, thenga igrosa, thenga iy'nwele, qhubeka impilo. We are an officially social welfare state. We are no longer the country. Ayikho izwe emhlabeni jikelele elikwazi ukunikeza abantu uyazala unikeza imali yey'ngane ezalayo, awunashelter unikeza indlu mahala, ugesi mahala, amanzi mahala, awusebenzi unika 350, yonke lezi zinto lezi uma ubuka lama-billions and billions that are spent. How many factories and how many companies that should be established and make people work and sweat for what they are in? So we are not in that position as a country. So is a new liberation. Asihlangane sibe umphakathi siyishintshe yonke leyo nto leyo bese iba nama-10 free. Asikwazi ukuphambi kwabantu sihlala sizothi onamaphepha nongenamaphepha akahambi, yabona. Ngoba you are opening a loophole for an enemy, a government. That is crime. Ngoba uzocheckwa yedwa legit. Bese niyabona ngidlala ngabantu oyedwa amongst thousands. Then they fly there on television, commercial television. Yabona abafana bami labengihamba lapho ibone ngqo abaningazi bemotion basha ozoso odla ka production obani bani bonke labo bafana labo beshutha bema social media ibona who put the pressure yani nayo ukuthi i-commercial media space ikwazi ukufocus nayo ngoba isibone crisis umongameli send pressure yama international relations because they want to manage that. Now they want to come back and see what is the problem and manje asibopheki umthetho siyawazi but badlulundela utatewethu laba utatewethu uJacinta ngapha phakathi uyadlulundela ngapha bese ngiyima nesipiliyoni sami esikhathini 21 some i-crisis enje yayenzeka 5 years ago. Kwalutha abantu sikhuluma enye into abantu benze enye into. Namanje eClermont the biggest thing engenza ukuthi mina ngithi cha bawethu ngicela ukufocus la eClermont. Lokho kuluthwa kwethu ngoba akho ngisho yedwa umuntu ongasukuma la athi i-right into yokuluthwa kwethu. Ulegally noma ukho legally ayiyona into esayikhuluma leyo. Nama besukuma laba bantu abayizigebengu beyotapa bamosha bazimosha ngishitolo zabantu bakhona la eClermont okuyirong phinde futhi bese betapa besebenzisa ama-slogan ethu negama lethu. So they want to push us so that we can qualify to be arrested in the name of instigating violence and make people loot. Then once kwangena ijele kwangena umthetho yonke lezo zinto lezo then yahlakazeka umhlangano, yabona. Futhi nabantu ngiyanazi mina abantu bakithi niyalahlana nami 2021 ngagcina sengisele ngedwa abantu ngabagcina ngiphume enkantolo ngebheyili thousands and thousands of people bezongihlangabeza emva kwalokho wonke umuntu wayesiqhubeka nempilo yakhe. Ngani-attended 3 years more than 3 million iy'kwele zabameli namanje nginazo. Mina ngikwazi ukubuka ukuthi la simemijele la ayilethesayo kahle la sekwenzeka into esingayimemezanga sidinga usuyiphuza hlala phansi abaholi sithi hayi ehlala phansi babumthetho bese ngizogcina ngaleli gama olithintile baba le time frame lodadewethu nabaholi bonke la kuyiqiniso elimsulwa ukuthi ibhizinisi lidinga i-profit lidinga i-maintenance. Bahamba bawucela iy'tili kwamagenqa basayikhokhela abanye bakithi ezibethi bazolayisha amakhwelebe la. So zithatha izinto mina njengoba ngilapha nje nganza kwethu ngithatha isinqumo sokuthi bacelela abaholi noma ukhansela ngitshengile futhi ngiyecela ukuyinikela ngoba lento yokumasha iy'trathi zonke ze-South Africa with the zero impact of a change, it will cost us. I decided that I want to focus la emhlabeni wakho bakhansela nabaholi. Ukuthenini, can we make example of ukuthi le nto ingenzeka? Ngoba yonke into iba ne-referral. There may be one island like Cape Verde, that is mostly undermined, less than 500,000 people, but they have been made an impact. They're the example of the countries that got millions of people, but they have contributed higher performance in the World Cup. So, umphakathi waseClermont ungakwazi ukuguqula lento ngaphandle kwe-xenophobia, ngaphandle kwe-racism, ngaphandle kwe-crime ekuthenini sithi cha nabo sibabhisa baseClermont i-decision abayithathile bathi no foreigners, container or supermarket or this, yabo. Okay, manje la occupations akhona nama vacancies akhona na thina sidinga abantu abazoqasha, sidinga abantu abakude. Okay, the secondary option high. Last corner, maybe we may partner with them if need be, yabona. But okwamanje sithi akubenje inkinga lokukhuluma kokungena action ekubeni ama daily needs ama society nama izinto siyafuneka namanje ngilambile ngifuna indawo angiphuma la ngifuna ukuyothenga ngazohlwa khona ayikwazi ukulinda umhlangano leyo. So manje ibalekile ukuthi you take a decision yokuthi umphakathi waseClermont osomabhizinisi abaleka i-training iyalinayo ona ama-sponsor shop abahambe bethole lawo ma-courses awu-2 weeks bephume emklabhini yaseshwaleni ngoba laba bantu bashane united ekubabone ngakudala khona. They're very focused. Ney'ngane zabo bephumisa esikoleni uyizilele. So-ke ileyo nto leyo ibhizinisi awulikhandi ngemfufuko yama-excitement. So-ke njengamanje once nenze njalo ngane zakwethu mina I can put my head on the block. Ngiyababona nje uNtuli njengoba kade ngikhaza ukuthi uneyiwe nakudlaleni. So ba-right ngendlela yabo. But laba bantu nabo we are building up to our local government elections. They got a political agenda. That's why you never see me attending their foolish meetings. Never. In your mouth, we shake hard. You only see me once with the president. You'll never see me with anyone. The president, not because of the politics, because of he must decide. I've commanded him, and he's going to respond very soon. And the committee of ministers, a whole minister of justice, occupy, for the email, then when into implementation, we are tired of songs that motivate us, and we never release the Canaan. The Canaan must be now, because the secondary enemy, if the enemy and the line, he order is coming. And the answer of that, if we can unite like this and fight the government, so we must listen and implement. So in the tradition, ngizothi mina nami ngiyavumela nodade wethu kwama-list ukuthi abahlangana kwama-list ngasinqome sisodwa ukuthi no. Then bese ngiya kubaba lapha ethi kuzoba ingozi ukuthi uphela inyanga ungekho action, because a dream is a goal, but a goal without a date of accomplishment is a useless dream. A date of accomplishment. Yonke le nto lena siyizuzazanini. Ngeke kube ngane zakwethu intsha yonke sifundiswe ukuhlala ukunethezeka nokwenza lezi ukuthi abantu benganaki kanjalo. Ngiyacela ngane zakwethu mina into engifunayo yini nami ngiyacela nokuthi nidizeke ukwenza njalo ihlalo yobonga kakhulu lapho nami ngimemeze bangimemeze abahlonishwa baba ukhansela lapha angimemeze sidonse itheko sibekela ikhuluma into eyenzeke sifuna laba bayiningi hayi laba kuthiwa sayohlaliswa emva kwalokho donse uminister lo ohleli ngifaka lo kujalo usitela la as a like Clermont ngoba we want to make an example ngendawo eyi-1 ngoba manje mina ngingakwazi mina ukuthi urgently ngimsuphine uminister eze la eClermont ngoba njengamanje njengoba sebeqala nje labo bantu sebawatshotha amakhwerekhwere isanele emahlathini betshotshana nawo kanjeni izulu besiphumela obala bese kuthiwe yethu kuthiwe yethu kanti ayifuneki ifike ezandleni labo bantu sibaxoshe ngezwi ngoba uNkulunkulu wadala ngezwi bahamba ngezwi asikaze sithi abathintwa ngoba uma bengathintwa akukhohlwa uyobona uphumulo yobona
siyabonga Matilda.
Ipoint yami mina ila ekutheni yebo nginayo icontainer ngiyarenda la ngikhona kuma-stand wami but nami ngiyarenda owala bekade ngisebenzisana nabo abangani sibe nenkinga masebehambile ukuthi sihlale mhlawumbe for almost 2 weeks wonke singenabo abantu abazongena bathi bayazama ukuthi bazosebenza lapho ofikayo umuntu ofikayo kana experience omunye like siyashodelwa abantu abazokwazi ukuthi sikwazi ukubambisana nabo asazi mhlawumbe ugovernment angasisiza yini sikwazi ukuthi sithi mhlawumbe kube khona mhlawumbe like ama-internships ukuthi abantu bafundiswe ukuthi kwenziwa kanjani izinto zezandla nayo yonke into mina ngiranisa nje so angazi noma bekungenzeka yini mhlawumbe sithole ukuxhaseka lapho nakhona-ke ama-container amanye ngizamile ukuthenga enye yomunye ngale ngashawa ukuthi amaphepha ayangishaya manje angisakwazi ukuqhubeka ngiyenzayo kodwa uma ukuthi ukhona usizo singathola ugovernment ukuthi asifani la mhlawumbe kufundisisa ngoba mkhulu umsebenzi mningi futhi and angibaceli ngibonile ukuthi kusebenzeke kahle impela ever since bahambile umsebenzi uvulekile which is good but abantu sokwazi ukubambisana nawo umsebenzi uningi kakhulu kumina esayidini lami bekumele ngigunde ngiphinde ngiluke at the same time ngicela umuntu olukayo ngapha ngikuthuma ukuthi bamuthi isikobho ushayeleza ngale yabo kuningi asinabo abantu nabafikayo abekho serious yonke esishayo
Tuwa uwo awuveli so asibasha le sikuyona sephila awungokwazi ukusitshela ngalento siphila yona every day the township ekhona so asikhuluma la angazi ukuthi sikhulume kiphi level ukuze ukwazi ukuimplementela isithanda lami ngoba leli emashe manje somewhere iyasiza ukuthi kuthiwa bahambe but uyezwa kuthiwa bahambe ukuze seshithi isitori sekuthiwa bangahambi ngoba baney'ncwadi they are allowed ngoba banama-permits into vele ungasazi-ke manje hawu sesithini manje besiyabahamba beney'ncwadi but iy'ncwadi ama-permits abanawo awasho vele ukuthi ababe nama-taxon we understand so ishintshile-ke manje inkulumo kufanele siyigade ingasixoki uyabona nami nithatha idecision yokuthi ngithethe le money sengifuna ube lana so fanele sibele back government provincial government sisesiredi thina the pilot ngoba lasithatha yathathwa iswe emandeni namabomu ngoba umunaka lento ye-bulk kwakufanele i-implement eThekwini yagudluzwa ngoba kwakufuneka ukuthi ingazi ukuthi kwenzakalani sayilusa yaphunyuka siyibambile kanje yabo so ngizama ukunikeza isithombe ukuthi ayintsha lento esiyenzayo indala ikhona but ayi-implementeki ngoba sinabantu abarong phezulu sister uphambisile